Which of the following events is not associated with the ovulation in human females? Ovulation is a process in the menstrual cycle when a mature egg, that is a secondary oocyte, is released from the ovary. And the menstrual cycle, which is a 28-day reproductive cycle, the ovulation occurs on the 14th day, and this happens due to the LH surge, that is the luteinizing hormone surge. It triggers the final maturation of the Graafian follicles and release the secondary oocyte. So this is a direct cause of ovulation. So that means option A will be an incorrect answer. And also option D, release of secondary oocyte, is also incorrect. Coming to full development of Graafian follicle, yes, this is a crucial step for ovulation where the Graafian follicle matures and prepare for the release of secondary oocyte. So option C is also incorrect. Now remaining we have option B, decrease in estradiol. Estradiol is a form of estrogen hormone, and the level of estradiol typically rise just before ovulation, stimulating the release of luteinizing hormone. So estradiol plays a role in the maturation of follicle, so a decrease in estradiol would not be expected at the time of ovulation. So that means the correct answer is option B, decrease in estradiol.